We live in an era where even your toothbrush has an app. So when people see a massive screen on a scooter, they don't see a feature. They see a distraction. Or worse, something that will glitch the moment it rains.
भाई स्कूटर ले रहे या iPad ले रहे?
अगर ऐप के थ्रू मेरा फोन हैक कर ले तो, या फिर मेरा स्कूटर ही हैक हो जाए।
विंडोज अपडेट की तरह इनका स्क्रीन भी लटक गया तो?
वो स्क्रीन पे इतना सारा फीचर्स है तो वो समझ में नहीं आता है।
पहले चार्जिंग समझो, फीचर्स समझो, यूपीएससी का एग्जाम लगता है सर।
I get it. You think tech is just frills. You think tech is there to distract you. But the honest truth is, if tech does its job really well in the background, you'll not even notice it, and that's how good tech should be. It should be like a silent guardian.
But how can you trust something that you cannot see tangibly?
Well, you all know me as a painter, but today I'm going to be a brain surgeon.
Let's forget the screen for a bit. This right here is the control unit, far less gloomy than an intensive care unit. This is the actual brain of the operation, and it houses a chipset, the very same chipset that powers your smartphone.
It's handling security and many other things. Think of this TCU as the scooter's DNA. You can't just hotwire this. In fact, even if the thief is a genius and tries to swap the TCU from another VX2 into this one, it won't start. The motor, the battery and the chip are married. If they don't recognize each other's digital signature, the scooter will not move. There's also an anti-theft alert, so you don't have to wait for karma to bite the burglars.
These frills are actually enablers. Turn-by-turn navigation means I don't have to mount a 1 lakh rupee phone on a shaky holder. And OTA updates mean that a scooter can get better features without having to visit a service center. You see, tech is supposed to decrease the load in someone's life, not increase it.
Look, I know the drill. For some, tech can be an annoying middleman, just like those smart washing machines that won't stop beeping at you. But on the VX2, tech is like a good referee. If it's doing its job, you will not even notice it.
But people don't notice EVs anyway. They all look the same.
And for some, EVs can be borderline boring to look and to ride specifically. But we will tackle that in the next episode.